Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 27th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. Alright, now so let's see what are the guidance messages for my Librans this week. I have just shuffled my cards now. All right. Okay. Some kind of clarity, some kind of, working things together with someone. There are a lot of things going on in your mind. Might be partying as well, but there is a third party situation over here. I am seeing you as two of rods in your situation, because you are in a middle of something. You are thinking about some options. You have a lot of things in your mind, so that is why you are not ready that what to do and what not to do. You are meeting new people as well, I'm seeing over here. Might be this is a new relationship which you are entering. That is why you are meeting new people. You want to talk to them, you want to know them. So there is something newness in your life, but your past shows me the Queen of Swords. Might be you, might be the other person as well. So might be some kind of a divorcee or a widow. So this is a widow widow card of the deck. So you might be dealing with anyone like that, and this is something, and there is more to come. There is some kind of clarity I'm seeing over here, some kind of talking, some kind of situation where you are handling something, some communication as well. Okay, so let's see this Three of Cups in your present energy, Two of Swords and Death card. Okay, so there is definitely a situation in your mind, because you are actually in a place where you are talking with new people as well, but still you are confused about to end something which was in your past and to start something new. So there is a confusion regarding that. Let's see, who is this Empress? Why is it in your hindrance card? Might be a new person, might be a mistress in your life. Let's see, the Moon and Five of Swords. So yes, so this is something which I am seeing. The Empress is not looking good to me today. She is not. She has some, look at her eyes. She is thinking. Might be someone showing you something else and is actually someone else, right? So might be a mother as well for some of you, but not exactly. There is a confusion which has been created by some people around you. I'm seeing with Five of Swords over here, you are very confused regarding some things. So some people might have pressurized you. They have told you something about some people, but the things are really hidden, and I'm not finding the Moon card also good today. So this is something which is created by the people around you. A mother, a sister, someone who you feel like they are the Empress of your life. Basically, they are the mature people, the nurturers in your life. But no, I'm not feeling a good thing over here. So you are into a situation created by your loved ones. Might be a person in your life whom you love as well. So let's see what is in your subconscious. You are not ready for something, because Four of Cups is here. So you are rejecting. And what are you rejecting? An offer of love. So there's something coming up in your life, and you are not ready to accept this offer of love. So see how this person is sitting, and he is not accepting. He's not eating anything. He has everything on his table, all the dishes which you would love to eat, but this person is showing some kind of arrogance over here, not having the meals which are provided to him. But the time, this is basically in your subconscious. At the back of your mind, you know that I'm not ready for this thing, but The time is like that, it's moving really fast right now, and people are telling you that you have to take a decision as fast as you can. So that is why you are a little confused and you are not able to decide what to do. I guess last time also, which when I did this kind of reading only, I guess last time reading. You are confused, you were confused last week as well, you are confused this week again. So a lot of confusion, right, Libra? Let's see what is your conscious energy. The Emperor is clarified by Ace of Swords and Four of Wands. So there is some kind of clarification which you want, but you cannot, because your Emperor energy is on the side, is with you. So you are being a little arrogant with the subconscious mind as well, and with your conscious mind as well. So you are being the person who is, you know, who wants to talk, who wants some clarification, because in your conscious mind the Ace of Swords is here, as well as in your future card. So this is a communication, a strong communication, a clarifying communication basically, with that, where you want to tell your part of your story, where you want to talk to a person, where you want to share some feelings, but you are not able to do because you are not in a state to do. Okay, with the Emperor, I am feeling a lot of Aries energy over here. Might be in Aries with whom you are dealing with, or you might be having Aries in your chart as well. So let's see the past energies with Queen of Swords, Three of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Okay, so there is someone who is very emotional, someone who has cut you off. I guess it's not you. I really feel that it's someone around you with whom you felt really emotional. There was some emotional baggage might be, but that person might have cut you off, and because you were not ready to fix some things. So that person might be the one who cut you off in that situation, or you might have cut someone off, because no, I really feel that this is not you, this is someone else in this reading. So you wanted some clarification, they wanted some clarification, but you were not ready to deal with that situation at that time. So that person might have cut you off. You were left, you know, you were told that move away, go away from my life, this kind of a person, this kind of a situation. Let's see, but you have Three of Pentacles in the outcome card as well, so might be you are ready to fix some things now. Let's see, we'll clarify your future card with the Hermit and Five of Cups. So in your future energies, there is some kind of loneliness which is coming towards you, because I'm seeing you over here, you are feeling lonely, you are feeling sad, some kind of sadness is here, and might be a person you felt that you will be really good with this person, but something went off, some kind of communication. I'm seeing that there might be some kind of, in fact, miscommunication as well, because you were not able to clarify your thoughts and their thoughts, both actually miscommunicated, and that is why everything went, you know, it just went in garbage, I would say. So these are the cards for your future cards. So there is some kind of clarification coming towards you, or you might be going towards someone to clarify some things, that no, this was not the situation. So you are telling this person, see how you are telling that no, this is not the situation, please don't be sad, please don't cry and all that. Or you might be this person who is sad, because this is your future energy I'm seeing, and you are feeling really alone. Let's see what are your energies right now. Why are you confused, Librans? Why are you confused? With the Two of Rods in your energy, Ten of Cups and Judgment. All right, so there might be a decision which you took and which now made you confused regarding your family, because there might be some other person in your life with whom you are trying to build something new. So that is why now you are confused, because see, with this Two of Rods, you are confused whether to go towards a happy family, a happy reunion, or you know why this confusion is? This confusion is because you are thinking now that whether I took a decision, whichever decision you took, whether it was right or wrong, with the judgment card. The judgment card is here that it is telling you to take a decision as soon as possible. But you know, you are not able to understand what is happening in your life. You are still confused. I guess last time your reading was the universe wants you to take a stand, something like that. So this again is the same reading. I am feeling that you are not taking a stand. Something is missing over here. You are very confused. You are thinking about some other person, but you are dealing with someone else. That is what is going on in your life. Let's see the energies around you. It is the Death card, might be a Scorpio. Let's see what are the energies around you, around the people with whom you are dealing with. All right, Six of Cups and the Lovers. All right, so there is some kind of ending I'm seeing, but that person with ever you were dealing with, there are the memories, and they are still missing you with 2 6 cards over here. It's more like, you know, that person might be missing you and the love you shared. So something is incomplete over here. So that is why the Death is here, because it is telling you that the things which you were feeling has not been finished yet. So still there are some things to finish. Either you really need to finish something or to start something new, because the guidance card is the World card, and this card is telling us that a completion is important. Do not leave things incomplete. Let's see what are these guidance messages right now. Nine of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Okay, so this is something relating that there was you actually started talking to someone, or you might be dealing with someone who was independent, or you might be the one who was independent, and this person came towards you. Let's make it like this. Okay, so this person is coming towards this person, going towards this person with an offer of love, but this thing actually didn't went well, and now this thing wants a closure. Like when you talk to someone and you left it in half, like you never completed that communication, you never completed that relationship. That is what the other person wants. That is what you also want. So there is an incomplete story which you need to complete, and for that you have to take a stand, and which you are still thinking of taking. Okay, so let's see the Three of Pentacles at the outcome, the Fool and Two of Cups. All right, so I'm seeing you are ready to fix some things with the person you were dealing with, but still, you know, with the Fool and the Two of Cups, you will enter in this communication just like that. But sometimes this just like that thing gives you the answer, like what was this problem, what was the problem between both of you. So I'm seeing some kind of problems are actually, you know, they were more of a miscommunication thing I'm seeing over here. So whichever person with whom you are dealing with, or whichever situation you are dealing with, there is a lot of miscommunication in this situation today, and it just requires one answer and one clarity. So that is what you need to do. If you are the person who has to give some clarity to someone, just go and don't wait, and go and give this clarity to that person. And if you are the one who needs a clarity, so I guess that person is approaching towards you, and this person might be ready to give the clarity. You know, after this, you don't know whether this communication will end the relationship or will start again. You will start with this person. It all depends on the conversation which you both do, the communication which you both will do. And sometimes this clarity, sometimes this communication gives you a list, basically a big viewpoint, and then you understand that, oh my god, I was thinking something else and this person was thinking something else. That is what I'm seeing over here. That thing is needed right now, because you are cut off, or you might have cut off a person from your life, but I don't think this was meant to happen. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Libras. I hope you like the reading. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.